One of the questions that I'm asked in regards to ACs is determining the proper tonnage for your compressor. The easiest methods used is just basically doing some simple math. So whenever you're looking at a compressor, a lot of times you'll see here there's going to be a model number. Each compressor has a model number. Now in that model number there should be a number starting with 12 or as much up to 60, and that should be able to be divided by 12. So here when you look at this one, if it said CR12, that would be a 1-ton unit. If it said CR24, that would be a 2-ton unit. If it said CR36, that would be a 3-ton unit. So when you're looking at any compressor, you look at the model number and you want to look for a number that's divisible by 12. On this one here, the number is 28. So we would divide that by 12. We know 12, 24, so that's 2, and then we have an 8. That would indicate that this is a 2.5-ton compressor in this system. Here we have a brand new compressor, and look at the model number, and we're looking for a number in the model number that's divisible by 12. So here we have 24. This would indicate that this compressor is a 2-ton unit. Another compressor, and you can see 24. So both of these are 2-ton compressors. It would mean that those compressors would not be compatible with this system. So in order for this system to run efficiently, you cannot put a 2-ton, you would have to purchase a 2.5-ton compressor. You're trying to determine the proper BTUs for your system, you'd have to consider the square footage. For every 600 square feet, you would want a 1-ton or 12,000 BTU compressor. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.